The Supreme Court on Thursday allowed both Hindus and Muslims to offer prayers at the disputed Bhogshala Kamal Maula Mosque complex in Madhya Pradesh, Thar district. The court permitted Hindus to perform puja from sunrise to sunset on Basant Panchami, while Muslims will be allowed to offer namaz between 1 pm to 3 pm on the same day. A bench headed by Chief Justice of India Surya Kant, along with Justices J.B. Pardiwala and Manoj Misra, directed the district administration to ensure proper security and maintain law and order. The court also instructed authorities to create separate spaces for prayers in line with past practices. The court urged both communities to cooperate and respect each other's religious sentiments, emphasizing peace and harmony. The Bhogshala complex is an ASI protected 11th century monument considered a Saraswati temple by the Hindus and a mosque by the Muslims. The apex court maintained status quo at the site while hearing pleas seeking exclusive Hindu worship rites on Basant Panchami, which coincides with Friday this year.